Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to create orthometric views in Enscape. To create an isometric view via Enscape, you need an isometric view on your Revit file. Step 1. Create a default 3D view by clicking the 3D view from the View tab, under the Create panel. Step 2. Use section box and hide in view by element or category to hide unnecessary items. Step 3. Synchronize the view by selecting View Name. Step 4. Change the projection to orthographic from Visual Settings under Rendering. Step 5. You may change the render style mode on your visual settings. Step 6. You also may change views using numbers on the keyboard. For a floor plan, press 5. I hope this introduction tutorial clarifies how to create orthometric views in Enscape. Thank you.